And Oaxaca is a city with many indigenous people who suffer from poverty and who have little access to education and as well as healthcare. So, and my mom, I mean, like all my family belongs to this group, and so I just like has experience like how is to be to work with social discrimination and racial discrimination. I think that in Mexico, there are like so many gross violation of human rights which occurs, and so the government knows what's going on, but the government does not tell the truth about it. So if you work on human rights and you are telling what's going on and you are fighting, definitely you became a target for the Mexican government. I was working in a case about an indigenous woman who was abused and who was just like sentences without a due process of law. Just and in some ways it was like just because she was poor and she doesn't have people who can work with her, and so she was like suffer really badly in her community. And we worked in an extensive litigation, and so the very day that we saw her like out of the jail and happy and trying to build her life again was like was really nice, and just like changed my mind and told me again that I'm doing the right thing. You are surrounded for your colleagues who are wonderful lawyers, and they all of them have like a really big experiences, so they know how is to work on human rights on the field, no, and they also have been working in different fields like, and so you know that in your country you have the same problem, but after the LLM or in the LLM you know how to address these problems with other perspective, and at the same time you are you have the opportunity to know how people in other parts of the world understand human rights and how they defend human rights. There is a bunch of resources and international law that it's hard to know when you don't have a really good and previous experience and story about it. So firstly, in this part, definitely, if you wanna work, you need to work with the better skills. And in Notre Dame school, you can know this and develop these skills. And secondly, Notre Dame is not like another university. You're not a number. You're not just a name. You are part of a family. So it's really nice that the professors knows what is your names, know who are you, what are you doing, and they are with you in all the process, and they share their experience, not only like professor and alumni. No, you are a part of the family, and they are watching for you.